What's up guys? Welcome back to a new video. My name is Jackson. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing my MacBook Pro, the M1 Pro version. This has 16 gigabytes of RAM and a 1 terabyte hard drive. I'll throw all the specs up on the screen now. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this unboxed. And there you actually see the MacBook itself. We'll flip it over. Not really a whole lot there to look at, but wow, this thing is pretty heavy actually. All right, now that it's out of the box, I'm going to take this off here. There's the actual computer itself. Wow. Okay, this is pretty heavy. I'm gonna set that aside. I did get the big boy charger. This was the 14-inch, but I did opt to pay extra for this charger because I think just long term it's gonna be better for that fast charging capability. And for like 20 bucks more, it's worth it. And then the MagSafe cable. Ooh, it's braided. Very nice braided cable. I do like that it disconnects now. So you don't have to like buy a new one of these. You can just buy a new cable and you should be able to save some money there. But obviously a very nice box from Apple. I like to keep all my Apple boxes just because it's kind of fun to keep them around. They're good decorations. But now let's go ahead and take this off. Wow, that feels really nice. Go ahead and open the screen. Immediately greeted with the Apple logo and let that boot up. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you do like this content, be sure to subscribe and like this video as it really does help the channel out. I'll be producing some more content on the MacBook Pro, so get subscribed. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you guys next time.